What's up, yo fam, I'm Yowawerts, and in this tutorial, I will show you guys how to make a Gwen Tennyson OMNITRIX from the Ben 10 series. This watch looks super cool, and aside from that, it also has a functional alien interface. Many of you guys requested for this, so here it is, and I hope that you guys will like it. Before that though, massive shout out to these creative yo fam for sharing with us their amazing Ben 10 creations. You guys are the best, so please stay creative and keep sharing your crafts. If you also want to be featured in my next video, feel free to DM me on Instagram at Yowawerts and send me a photo of your creation. Okay, let's start crafting. Print the template and cut out this shape. Place the template onto a piece of cardboard and trace the outlines. Depending on your wrist size, you can either deduct or extend both sides. Now, to make this wearable, this cardboard must be flexible. To do that, gently trace these lines with cutter. Make sure not to push too hard to avoid cutting all the way to the back. If you do it correctly, you'll have something like this. Then, cut out the same shape without the hole in the center from EVA foam and glue it onto the cardboard. After that, put Velcro into these areas to make the Omnitrix wearable. To make the watch look neater, glue another piece of EVA foam on top. If you guys don't have EVA foam, you can simply use a thin cardboard such as a cereal box, folder, or the covers of your notebook. I then cut out these and glued it onto these areas to cover the cardboard corrugation. Once that's done, paint the watch strap with light blue. Take this piece and glue it onto the watch strap like so. Cut out the rest of the pieces from the template and glue them onto a thin cardboard. For me, the best material to use is folder. Once you're done cutting, take this piece and glue the ends together like so. This will be placed in the center of the watch strap, so please make sure it fits perfectly. Glue the hoop piece on top and the B piece on the side. After painting, glue the piece into the watch strap. Take the pattern piece and glue the ends together like so. Make sure that this fits perfectly well in here. Moving on, grab this piece and paint it with blue before sticking the alien selection disc just as shown. Paint this piece with black and stick it with this like so. Take this piece and glue it on the side to complete the watch frame. For the tube, roll a piece of paper and use super glue to make it durable. Glue the tube in the center of the pattern piece and then insert the watch frame. And then glue the interface on top of the tube. Once that's done, you'll be able to rotate the watch just as shown. To complete the interface, I then glued on the buttons onto the watch frame. To make these, I simply used hot glue. I then cut out these shapes and glued it onto these areas where the bigger buttons will be placed. Finally, roll pieces of VVA foam to form the tubes for the Omnitrix. Once that's done, you'll have something like this. As what I always tell you guys, this craft is pretty simple and easy to make, especially with the free template I'm providing. If you like this creation, I'm pretty sure you also like my other DIY inventions, so if I were you, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Also, if you have some thoughts about this video or any suggestions, feel free to comment down below and I'll try my best to respond to all of you guys. So I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.